Hey everyone, my name is Dylan with DR Horton, and this is a quick tutorial on how to rekey or change the locks on your brand new DR Horton home. At closing, you should receive this package, and it has a couple of nice things in it, but it does include a lifetime mechanical warranty through Kwikset. This is your homeowner's keys, and in the smaller packet that I'm about to bring out, it has the builder's temp key and also the paper instructions on how to rekey your home. This is the packet that you're going to return to the model house once you have completed rekeying your home. And it includes the builder's temp key and the rekey tool. Whenever you close on your home, you should receive this packet with a brand new set of keys. The very first step is to bring out these builder's temporary keys, and this key should open the door. If it doesn't, that means that the builder has not changed over the locks and you'll need to contact your sales representative or superintendent. So the very first step is to actually get the builder's key and go ahead and unlock the door. And once you have that door unlocked, you are then going to turn the key into the lock position. And once you turn it into the lock position, you'll then take this rekeying tool that they give you and press it right into this little hole. Once you press it, you can pull it out and pull the key straight out like that. You're then going to take the keys in your bag and just insert it like so, and then just give it a couple turns, and now your key has been rekeyed. Now the old key or temporary key is no longer going to work. And the new key will now open and shut it. You also have two other doors that you have to redo, the garage door and also your back door. For the process, it's the exact same. Step one, take the builder's temp key, go ahead and put it into where the door is locked. Take your rekeying tool, place it right in the hole, push on it until you hear a little pop, pull the key straight out and don't wiggle it back or forth or anything. Then take your new key and insert it like so. And now the new key is in and the old key will no longer work. I'll also show you how to input a new code for your keyless entry door. The first step is to remove this panel by just pressing up on it. You want to have the door open and in the lock position. From there, you're going to press this button and you're going to enter in a 4-digit PIN. And you're going to enter. And now, if you enter in that code, the door will open. If you have any questions, feel free to give me or your superintendent a call today.